Hello friend. Welcome to my channel GTA Technical Teach for Alien. Today, we will solve the problem of not playing GTA on Windows 10 operating system. GTA San Andreas. Not open. Requires at least DirectX version 9.0. GTA Vice City Extreme. Not open. Requires at least DirectX version 8.1. Let's solve the problem. First go to the setting option. Now open the apps and feature options. Now let us open the program and feature options. Now open the turn Windows features on or off option. Now find the legacy components option and mark the direct play option. Now click the OK button. Now your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. If this tutorial helps you, please subscribe this channel.